So my name is Sarah-Claude Lachance. I'm a biologist at Stelar since 2017. Stelar can help us in many ways as professional and also ultimately to help the client. For example, it's facilitate and centralize the data collection in the field. It's also a very flexible platforms that allow the creation of simple form in which we can add new observation with photo and GPS position. It's also an easy way to compare observation in time, so from the previous visit versus the visit that we're currently doing, to be sure that the recommendation that we address were put into action. It can generate field report instantly with photo, location, and all the information we took during our field visit. It facilitates and centralized data processing. By doing that, it increases our efficiency to produce studies in a reasonable amount of time for the client. Since there is a support team dedicated to Stelar, as a biologist, I can really concentrate on my job. So I don't have to do the work of a programmer to have a work tool that's efficient.